Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Another day is beginning. Gotta be careful. Melanie said there was a tick in front of the house. We have a little rabbit running around bringing ticks and dropping them off. I'm just checking to see. It's very cold again. Wanted to see if we had frost. Yeah, I think we do. That just seems like just the way it's going to be this year. Yep, sure do. Huh. Again. It's just a common nightly thing now. This year. It's just part of the way things are now this year. Every day now. You can tell there's a little bit of a white coat in the ground. We have been heating for 10 months, and my family down state a little ways are still heating too. 10 months straight. Can you believe that? I've never seen such a thing. Not in this area anyway. But this is the new way, I guess. So we adapt and we change. And that's exactly what we're doing here in this homestead. Well, I gotta get myself ready for work. Looks like it's a good sky, clear sky, and gonna be a good day. Looks like it's gonna be a warmer day then. We're having nice days, but cold nights at freezing temperatures. Anyway, I guess I'll see you when I get home tonight. Back to the homestead and back to work. Oh. I might have to cover these still. I didn't think, but I hope they're not harmed. I just put them in. That's frost on my brand new planted tomato. I didn't think it got cold up that high. I hope they're going to be fine. I had them up by the house where it's warmer in between the houses and sheltered by the trees. That's a coating of frost. Look at that. Does that show up? Boy, I hope they're going to be okay. Not good at all. I hate to have them die when I just put them out. There's frost on there. This one got it even worse. All white. Oh wow, I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. All white. Oh boy. Well, I guess I'll find out when I get home tonight. The peppers don't seem to have, well, they don't have the hairs like that. The fine hairs of the tomatoes got the frost on them. Boy, this year is hard. I'm going to have to cover the greenhouse to plant. I didn't think that being this high up it was going to be an issue. See frost up on the hairs. I'm hoping because it's just a light dusting. Boy, there you can really see it. I'm hoping that they'll be okay. But when I get home tonight I'll know. When the sun starts warming them up, we're going to find out. Well guys, I'm back. And I mowed some of the lawn. I don't know if you'll notice a difference. I got my old mower out and I mowed around the garden. Up in the apple orchard I mowed this big chunk here. It was not done, and all up in here wasn't done. And I ran up into the house area a little bit and around Melanie's flowers. Now these are beautiful. We definitely got to get this cleaned out now. These are irises that we salvaged from the lake. They'd be gone this year because the lake, it would be about that deep on them now this year. So last year we salvaged all of these out of the lake, and I'm happy we did because they're beautiful. But we've got to clean this up so we can enjoy them better. Strawberries are looking all right. Greenhouse hasn't sagged anymore, but I do need to shore that up. I mowed up in here, I mowed the whole orchard. The deer are nibbling on my trees, and the blossoms have frozen off. We keep getting frost, so there won't be any apples this year, at least on these guys anyway. Everything got damaged, but I've mowed up in here. I still have to trim all through here, but I'm going to take all the stakes out. I'm going to remove the electric fence wires because our garden obviously is no more. It's just going to be the greenhouse, and I'm going to put electric fence around that area at least, so because until I get the plastic up, the deer can easily eat that. And I've seen deer eat tomatoes, by the way. Speaking of which, how do we look? Doesn't seem to be any harm done. They've actually perked up nicely and taken to the soil here. It's more moist. That one has a little bit of leaf curl, I'm not sure why. I think they'll be alright. Looks like they'll be okay. Bottom branch is dying. I don't know what that's about. But I'll get out here and cut them off. I think they're going to make it though. These ones here seem to have perked up nicely. Oh yeah, it's stiffened up. Nice. They stiffened up. They were in desperate need of transplanting. They firmed up. They were limp yesterday. Wow, and overnight, why that's really firmed up. An overnight out here made a difference. Really good. And then my peppers, those are beautiful. I hope they take to the transplanting well enough, and that they'll be alright. Alright guys, I was reading about companion planting, and I read that lettuce type plants go good with tomatoes. So I put all of our lettucey plants in here, and they'll hopefully help cover the ground a bit and keep it moist, and then the tomatoes are going to grow tall. So I've got them up to here. I also read, I think if I read right, eggplant is fine. So I put some of them in here. So I've got 8 feet done and another 2 feet. So I got 10 feet done, and I got another 4-6 feet left to top off. But this one's done. I've been called in for dinner, so I gotta go eat, and then I'll come back and water these yet tonight. But that's gonna be beautiful when that fills out. That's gonna be really nice. Alright guys, gotta go in and eat. Talk to y'all later.